How's it going, everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking a closer look at a few mat pocket options from TMI products designed for the 1990 to 1993 Fox Mustangs. No doubt about it, the mat pockets are just one of several failure-prone areas in Fox Mustangs. Now, what makes these things an eyesore over time is how they hang like a wizard sleeve because of the worn out plastic band. Other issues that mat pockets have along with the droop is fading, damage, or they may be missing altogether. The mat pockets from TMI products are currently available in two different designs, a factory style replacement mat pocket or a mat pocket delete. I'll go ahead and start with the factory style version first. The factory style mat pockets are built with fiberboard as the skeleton and then wrapped with a high quality vinyl material that incorporates an OEM style grain and texture. Each mat pocket contains an oversized elastic band to ensure that the pocket is drawn tight towards the door. The top area is double stitched and each mat pocket utilizes a button snap just like the originals. TMI even engineered each mat pocket to install onto the door panel with OE-like brad fasteners. Switching gears to the mat pocket deletes, these should attract Fox owners who are wanting to step away from the factory style mat pockets in lieu of something that seems a little more simple in terms of their overall look. Like its close relative, the deletes start with a fiberboard skeleton and they're also wrapped in a high quality vinyl material. They'll even have the brad fasteners pre-installed. Either option is currently available in popular 1990 to 1993 specific interior colors, which include black, titanium gray, and scarlet red, just to name a few. Now, whenever you replace your mat pockets, be mindful that the door panel themselves may need to be freshened up as well, and you can do that with some of our interior paint. We do have a door panel removal video as well as a mat pocket install video already on our channel, so check those out if you need help replacing yours. One last thing, and then I promise I'm done talking, guys. Go ahead and pick up a 50 Resto door panel install kit along with your new mat pockets. Since they require door panel removal, you'll have some spare push pins just in case any of them break whenever you remove your door panel. Of course, for the most current product information, pricing, and availability on anything you saw in this video, be sure and reference LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release new content. Feel free to check out our other videos, and of course, for all things Foxbody, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.